14th Feb. Things are not going as I wanted them to be. आज काफ़ी chaotic दिन था, 2-3 दिन पहले भी ये सेम चीज़ हुई. I'm just getting backwards. I think मतलब कभी भी मैं आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करता हूँ, I always move backwards for no freaking reason. I mean there is a reason obviously. Let me say. There is a reason because whenever I try to move forward, I just procrastinate, get anxiety, and those habits hold me back again and again. So I just wanted to end this shit right now because I really don't think we have itna time to literally waste now, because I have figured everything I had to. All of the things that I needed to know to move forward are already known. I already know enough for me, and I'm still not moving on. So there may be some reason, right? I'm being scared, right? So I just relapsed again, and I want this to end right now at this moment, because हर बार जब भी होता है I just keep asking myself the same questions and I get back to zero, and I don't want to get back to zero again anymore. So I am tired, honestly. I don't want to get back. The past version of me who was in 6th grade, in 5th grade and 4th grade was never like this. He never sought attention for women. He never even thought of watching these things and getting addicted to these things. And I don't think it is doing any good to me at all, in any case. And yes, it feels really like, you're leaving a lot of it feels like you're leaving something very important in your life, but it's really not important. It's just shit. It's just a shitty addiction who's actually controlling your life and controlling your anxiety and all of that stuff. And as I have introspected, these are not the only things that are affecting me right now. I was overeating again. I overate again. बाहर का खाना खा लिया. Everything just got worse. Even right now मेरे दिमाग में खाने का मन कर रहा है, कुछ भी मीठा है, कुछ भी खट्टा. मेरा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करने का मन कर रहा है. मेरा बस सोचने का मन कर रहा है. मैंने फिर उसके बाद ये रिलैप्स कर दिया इसी चक्कर में. एंड ये चीज़ें बार बार रिपीट हो रही है, तो इनका कोई पैटर्न बन रहा है. एंड आई कैन रिकॉग्नाइज दैट वेरी वेल. I still can't figure out what is wrong, that I'm not taking any action to move forward. I don't know what is really left inside of me that does not want to move on. Like, we know everything about I know everything about my past now, and I don't think anything is worth keeping. Any habit since 6th grade is worth keeping for my future. And that is why it's just kind of weird feeling like, why do I not want to move on? Like, sometimes I just forget all of these things. What is even happening? I just question myself again and again and again. I still get no answers. So there are some, like, I have seen people getting into these traps of getting motivations daily, getting philosophical thoughts, which are really shit. They just give you dopamine. They do nothing else. So I just don't want to get into this loop again and again, and I don't want these things to get over my mind. I want my brain to work towards things that are actually helpful, that will actually help other people, that will actually help me to move on, to have a purpose. I want to move on. I need habits to sustain. Like, I need some things to do. And so I just wanted to summarize everything that I have learned so far, and so that I could act on them, like, and this documentary will be accountable for it, because अगर इसके बाद नहीं होता, same चीज़, I will be responsible for it, for everything, which I am obviously since the day I was born, but still I will be responsible if I don't do it, and I don't want myself to suffer anymore. and I want to take actions as fast as I can, because the way I am headed right now, where I'm headed right now, it's not good. It's not looking good at all, and that is the problem. So, I mean, Ayush considers this as a documentary. People will watch this. I don't care who watches this or who doesn't. This is just a way to document my life, I believe, and I don't want anyone to watch this. So, yeah, let's just get on with this. Like, get this over my brain. And yeah, let's just end this, because ये 5 minute 30 seconds की हो चुकी है, and I don't want it to get longer. I will drop the second part, like, I mean, I will upload the second part of it इसके just बाद.